نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 18. In this lesson we will learn one more rule of mubtada and khabar. And the rule is that when mubtada is masculine, then the khabar will be masculine. Remember, when mubtada is masculine, then the khabar will be masculine. And when mubtada is feminine, then the khabar will be feminine. So, when mubtada is feminine, the khabar will be feminine as well. So, all the previous sentences we have learned so far, they're all masculine sentences. In this lesson, we will focus on feminine sentences of mubtada and khabar. If you see the word al-hujra, room, al-hujratu is feminine. So its khabar has to be feminine as well. Al-hujratu is feminine and this is mubtada. So its khabar has to be feminine. And the example is al-hujratu kabiratun. Al-hujratu kabiratun, the room is big. Al-hujratu kabiratun, the room is big. Here, al-hujratu is mubtada and also it is feminine. So, al-hujratu is feminine and kabiratun is khabar and also feminine. So, mubtada is feminine, khabar has to be feminine. Al-hujratu kabiratun, the room is big. If we say al-hujratu kabirun, this will be wrong. Why? Because al-hujratu, which is mubtada and it is feminine, but the khabar is not feminine. It is masculine. Kabirun is masculine. Al-hujratu kabirun is wrong. Why? The rule is that if mubtada is feminine, then the khabar has to be feminine. So in this case, the khabar is not feminine. The khabar is masculine. So the asal sentence is, or the correct sentence is, al-hujratu kabiratun, the room is big. Al-hujratu kabiratun, the room is big. So let's learn new words. Jamilatun, beautiful. Jamilatun, beautiful. Jaddatun, grandmother. Jaddatun, grandmother. Aqilatun, smart or intelligent. Aqilatun, smart or intelligent. Saminatun, fat. Saminatun, fat. So let's practice. Al-imratu qawiyatun. Al-imratu qawiyatun. The woman is strong. Al-imratu qawiyatun. The woman is strong. So here, al-imratu is feminine, so we have to bring qawiyatun, feminine. We cannot say al-imratu qawiyun, will be wrong, because qawiyun is masculine, so we have to bring qawiyatun, meaning strong. Al-imratu qawiyatun, the woman is strong. Al-ummu salihatun, the mother is pious. Al-ummu salihatun, the mother is pious. Here al is feminine, salih has to be feminine. The mubtada is feminine, so salihatun will be feminine. Al-bintu jamilatun, the daughter is beautiful, or the girl is beautiful. So al-bintu can be used for both daughter or girl. So here al-bintu jamilatun, al-bintu is feminine, jamilatun has to be feminine because al-bintu is mubtada, jamilatun is khabar and it has to be feminine. Al-bintu is feminine, jamilatun has to be feminine. Al-ukhtu da'ifatun, the sister is weak. Al-ukhtu da'ifatun, the sister is weak. So here the sister, al-ukhtu, is feminine. So we have to bring da'ifatun to make khabar feminine. So al-ukhtu mubtada is feminine. The khabar has to be feminine. So al-ukhtu da'ifatun. We cannot say al-ukhtu da'ifun. It will be wrong. We cannot say again al-ukhtu da'ifun because da'ifun is masculine. The correct is al-ukhtu da'ifatun. The sister is weak. Al-jaddatu aqilatun. The grandmother is smart. Al-jaddatu aqilatun. The grandmother is smart or intelligent. Al-jaddatu is feminine, so aqilatun is feminine as well. Ash-shatu saminatun. The goat is fat. Ash-shatu saminatun. The goat is fat. Here the word shat is feminine. So the khabar has to be feminine. So how do we know that this word is feminine? We have talked in the previous lessons as well. So the word that tanis is called this ta indicates that this word is feminine. This is one of the sign. So this ta is feminine, meaning this word is feminine. So we have to bring for khabar ata another ta to make this word feminine. So the masculine word is saminun. So the asal word is masculine. It is saminun. So we have to make it saminatun. For example, jamilun is the masculine word of jamila. Jamilatun. So saminun is the masculine word. So we have to make it saminatun. We have to add the ta to make it feminine. So ashatu is feminine. Saminatun has to be feminine. Ashatu saminatun. The goat is fat. So let's review. Al-imratu qawiyatun. The woman is strong. Al-ummu salihatun. The mother is pious. Al-bintu jamilatun. The daughter is beautiful or the girl is beautiful. Al-ukhtu na'ifatun. The sister is weak. Al-jaddatu aqilatun. The grandmother is smart. Ash-shatu saminatun. The goat is fat. So let's memorize the rules or those rules to be memorized. And the rule is that when mubtada is masculine, then the khabar has to be masculine. And when mubtada is feminine, then the khabar has to be feminine. So remember this. When mubtada is masculine, the khabar is masculine. And when mubtada is feminine, then the khabar has to be feminine. So words to memorize. Jamilatun, beautiful. Jamilatun, beautiful. Jaddatun, grandmother. Jaddatun, grandmother. So if you know, there's a city called Jeddah in Saudi. Jeddah, it came from this word, Jaddatun. Jadda meaning grandmother. So saminatun, fat, or you can say samina. When we stop, we say samina. Saminatun, fat. Aqilatun, intelligent or smart. So if we stop, we say aqila. We say jamila, jadda, samina, aqila. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.